it so much that everywhere you go, you have to try it.
My first acai bowl. She has the
Maui sunrise.
Maui sunrise, sorry, I forgot it. And I got the Dakain. Looks so good. So excited. Oh, there's no name. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's enjoy it.
It smells like fart.
That's not what you expect.
Oh, there's the people.
Yeah. I'll just use the zoom in function on my phone. Shit, this shit is heavy. The thing on my, it was on one finger.
Oh.
Let me hold it. Look how beautiful that is. Damn. That's very pretty, guys. We're just gonna keep a safe distance. You wanna be on camera?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Are you excited?
I am. It looks like it has makeup on.
Because it's pretty?
Yeah, it's so high.
It is. If it would lose one of those things right now, would you grab it?
Yeah. But I wouldn't pull it off. You know, like if it just falls off.
Yeah. But is that like a luck?
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me step back.
I put everything in, right?
Yeah.
And then this is one.
Perfect.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. I push it in.
Yeah.
Turn the handles to the one you want. And only after completing step 1 into the machine, and then turn 6 to 8 times.
Is it getting harder?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh, you got this one.
It's so cute. The one with the bird. Did it actually turn my coin into this coin?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, that's too shiny. Was yours that shiny?
1 cent.
Ooh.
I don't think mine was that shiny. It's a bit bent,
Oh, that's okay.
but I'll at home.
But I wouldn't know. Look, Jumanji.
Oh my
Those were all
god.
filmed here?
You think so? These are some of the movies and shows that were filmed here in Waimea Valley. That's what it says. Whoa, there's like a lot. A lot of movies and films. I didn't know that. Look at how beautiful that tree is. Damn. Oh, you want to rent one? Okay, so right now we are okay, and then we have to walk all the way up to the waterfall, right? Because we want to go to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, I thought it would be closer for some reason. That's okay. We can walk through all these little things.
Yeah, I think we can.
Yeah, we should definitely do that instead of like,
Yeah, let's
what do you think? Yeah.
Oh, they have a medicinal.
What is that? Oh, with plants and stuff that.
Medicine. What is this? How do you ethnobotany? Okay, got it.
How do you ask me?
I thought you would know.
We would not pronounce it like that.
How would you pronounce it?
Ethnobotany. Don't ask me, girl. Like I'm telling you.
I love this moss so much.
Shit. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look. Have you seen this before? I've never seen that. It's so crazy. I'm 27 and I have never seen a tree like this before. It's a bit like, I'm a bit ashamed.
And this is what life is about, right?
Yeah.
More adventures the older that you get, if you're blessed enough.
If you're what?
If you're like blessed enough.
Yeah. Is that bamboo?
Yeah, it is.
Damn. It looks hella strong. It smells so good here.
It smells like fart to me.
What?
It just smells like a big fart.
It smells like flowers.
No, it smells like ass.
Like ass. What?
It just smells like a big, like...
These, my sister has one of these with zebra lines.
She could have this one too. This is an alocasia.
Yeah, that
that's
one.
the one.
Yeah. But it has zebra lines and it's called a zebrina.
Ooh. I like
Yeah. Ooh.
that. This one's a good one. Come on.
Yeah. It's crazy. Wanna go there?
Yeah, we can. There's so many alocasias here. I didn't expect them to do that.
Yeah, you didn't?
No.
Why?
Because I tried growing them. I have these in my room.
You do?
Yeah, it's called a ZZ plant.
Oh, ZZ. Yeah. I've had ZZs.
I love it.
Yeah, they're cute. Damn, it's so calm here. That I saw in Japan.
Many plants here are drought tolerant ornamentals.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Like aloe vera?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that?
I love moss.
You should go on the other hike with me because I saw like bright green moss and it felt weird. Like it didn't feel like this one. It felt like different.
How did it, was it more squishy?
Yeah. And it was more dry too.
Dry and squishy?
Yeah, like fluffy.
Lush. Fluffy.
Maybe.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. So it wasn't as wet, but it was more like you could do more with your head.
Yeah.
Okay. See, I could just take one for it.
I mean, people did take some.
I think they stepped on it.
You could take some. It's already loose.
Chaotic relationship. This is how they grow. I've never seen that.
Me neither. That's pretty.
Hono Hono orchid.
That's crazy. That is crazy. Really?
Yeah, that's how they defend themselves. Or how they attract a mate. It's like one or the other.
Oh.
There's another one.
Oh. There's so many of them here.
It's almost like they live.
What are lilies? I thought these were lotus flowers.
Do you want like a candid photo?
You can tell me what this is? If you can tell me what this is, I will stop asking.
No,
I promise. Have you seen this before?
I haven't.
Like, what is it?
What is this?
Also, what is this? Look how interesting that looks.
Oh yeah, this is like a common tree here.
It is?
Yeah.
But why does it do that? Are you sure he's talking to us?
I think he's just talking to him.
I feel like he's talking to a girl.
What if that is the girl?
I don't think that is the girl. You think that's the girl?
Could be. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I feel like that's a boy. But he's hella green though. Where's the girl at? I think he's flirting. Isn't it like the season? Okay guys, she just told me something very interesting.
So like these pods, like they used to be used as like natural paintbrushes. So they would crush up like a kukui nut or like some kind of nut, and it would make like a yellow or a red.
Isn't that
It's
crazy?
just a paintbrush, yeah.
Isn't that crazy, guys? It's actually a brush.
Yeah, it's just a brush.
And it comes from this tree. Look how many there are.
Yeah, and you don't even have to do anything. It just falls and it's like that.
It's for free, guys.
Yeah.
But what is it? Is it like fruit?
No, it's just, it looks like it's just a seed.
That's very pretty. I wish there were more.
I wonder if it's prettier because it's like around other things. Like it's not around the other flowers.
You think so?
It might be.
Klim op, which literally means climb on.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
You just take the whole cross.
I mean, I kind of understand it.
So like they'll ask you, like they'll ask the women.
They're so pretty though.
I wonder how heavy all of these like vine plants are. Like if you would take it all off.
I only caught lame shit when I was young, like snails.
So like if there would be one, oh, you guys don't have that problem. You don't have geckos in your apartment.
No.
Oh, I'm missing out.
We,
You guys don't have roaches.
but you're a bigger one, man. Like damn. Like down. Look at this one. It looks beautiful.
They make it like that. You know why?
Holy crap.
One
Huh?
time I was shopping for plants at Home Depot,
Yeah.
and it had just rained, and there were like snails everywhere. So I would pick up a plant, and under the leaf would be like a huge snail, and I kept getting scared.
You were scared? You're scared of snails?
Yeah, I don't like them. Can we go up here?
Looks like it. It didn't have a sign.
I thought, okay, the worker's not coming together.
Oh, maybe he is. Is he? He looked at us and then he looked away.
Oh, okay, then we're fine.
Are you sure? Or is he getting security? Okay, no. Look how big they are. Well, you're in their territory. Just saying.
For your own gain.
Yeah, but I didn't mean that.
Yeah. But if he's pronouncing, like, if he's explaining word by word what each one means to us, like malama, keika'i,
Friends. Yes, but sorry, I'm too excited about this one.
Oh my god, see, we go opposite.
Like, oh my god, like look at that. That's crazy. That's just crazy work. Like, this is what McKenna was looking at. Schwarzia pinata. Okay. You're messing with me. I've never seen them. I'm so. That's crazy. That is really crazy. This is the court. That's crazy. Yeah. That's mental. That's mental. Look how high that is. It's all the way up there. It's so pretty.
Oh, that's like the flower.
Oh. I bet these are fresh as hell. It looks special. Focus. Stupid phone. That looks special.
I'll call it a buttercup.
Hi.